The first step to heat press CAD-CUT UltraWeed heat transfer vinyl is to load your item onto the press, ensuring that your printing area is completely flat. Next, I'm ready to set up the temperature on my machine. UltraWeed has a variable application temperature from 260 degrees to 300 degrees. You need to make sure you use at least 280 degrees if your garment contains 50% or more cotton, which this one does. So I've set it at 280 degrees, and I'm going to set the time for 12 seconds. Additionally, I'll program a preheat of 5 seconds to prepare my garment for the application and the most durable result. UltraWeed requires a medium pressure, and so I'm going to go ahead and lock the machine down to ensure I have a medium pressure on the control board. That's a 4, 5, or 6 on the Hotronics Auto Open clam. I'm at the lower side of a medium pressure, which is a 4, which is fine for this application. Now that I have that set up, I'm just conducting the preheat for the 5 seconds so I can make sure I get to my actual application time. Once that's completed, I'll position my design onto the garment. UltraWeed has a sticky backing, so it holds very nicely in place. Cover your design with a cover sheet and heat apply. UltraWeed is a hot peel, so as soon as the heat press opens, I'll be able to remove the carrier from this material. To remove the carrier, simply grab in the corner and peel at a 45-degree angle. It releases very nicely, and I have a completed, durable result.